What's up, everybody? I'm gonna show y'all. I showed y'all how to tie these rigs. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to use them. You pull them out of the bag and they'll look like this. Make sure you got a snap swivel hooked to your line, and just don't unfurl it like crazy. Go ahead and hook your barrel swivel to the snap swivel first. Clamp it down, and then just slowly unroll it and do it hook for hook. That way it don't get all crazy. Just like that. Y'all hang tight. All right, got your jig on your pole. I'm using a 10-foot pin combo. I would recommend at least a 9-foot combo and something with a longer handle, because you're gonna need that pivot point. And then a 30-pound line, and then I keep my drag pretty tight because you're just pulling them straight up. You gotta get them away from the sharks. But all you do is just drop it straight down. Tighten your bell, and then about that angle, that's where you want it touching the bottom and your line to be tight. And then you just go up and down with it. Let it fall all the way down, because the Spanish will hit it on the way down. Sometimes they'll hit it hard, and then sometimes you'll go down and then pull up and you won't feel nothing. Just start reeling it, because there's a Spanish running with it. Yep, see, there you go. So, a lot of these greenback herring. That's why this is so fun. You can catch all kind of fish. Drop it straight down. Reel it as you go down. Make sure it's touching the bottom, and then just jig up and down. That's all there is to it. Let's see if we can catch one. Another one. Another small one. Nah, it's bigger than I thought.
Oh yeah, that's good. Lord, I didn't know it rained that much up
Nah,
there.
not quite. Seeing some signs of life. Not quite a keeper though. He might make it. Oh,
Maybe that sunlight will bring him out.
I think it will.
Yeah, I wanted to know what it was. I heard it make the noise.
Teeth.
What, 13?
12 and a half.